Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday. So today I have a Walgreens video for you guys. These deals started today, which is August 14th, and they are good up until Saturday, August 20th. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload new videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into these deals. Okay guys, so for this transaction, I did use a digital booster, get $5 in Walgreens cash when you spend $22. And then I also paired that with a paper booster, get $9 in Walgreens cash when you spend $40. For the most part, everything went well in this transaction. I did have two issues, but I will talk about that a little bit later on in the video. So in this transaction, I was working towards a few different promotions, one being the P&G promotion when you spend $15, another one being the personal care promotion to where when you spend $20 on personal care, you will get back $5. So we're going to go ahead and just get right into these deals. So the first thing, you guys, I'm going to start with the Secret deodorant, and these are priced at Walgreens at 2 for $12, but I purchased 3. So each one of them rung up at $6. So 6 times 3 is 18. So my total was 18 for all 3. We do have a $5 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $18 minus that $5 digital coupon brought my total down to $13. And then when you buy 3, you guys, you will receive a $5 store coupon, which I did receive right here. So with receiving this coupon, this store coupon, it brought my total down to $8. But that's not the final cost for that, because those are a part of P&G, and then they are also a part of the spend 20, get a $5 register reward with the personal care promotion. But I will tell you guys all of the rewards that I got at the end. That way it'll be easier for me to just give you a total for everything. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed 2 of the Colgate toothpaste, and these are priced at Walgreens this week at $3.99. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive $4 in Walgreens cash rewards. So you're going to want to purchase 2 at $3.99, and that's going to bring your total to $7.98. We do have a $4 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $7.98 minus the $4 digital coupon, that will bring your total down to $3.98. And then you will receive back that $4 in Walgreens cash, making both tubes of toothpaste completely free, plus a 2-cent moneymaker. And then I also went ahead and I grabbed 8 of these Baby Ruths. So guys, these are supposed to be 2 for $2.50 at Walgreens, but mine actually rung up at 2 for $2.79, and I didn't notice that until when I looked at my receipt. So they are supposed to be 2 for $2.50, and when you purchase a total of 8, that will bring your total to $10. SWAGBUCKS has a rebate back for $3 when you buy 2. You can do that deal a total of 4 times in one day. So that's why I went ahead and maxed the deal out, and I went ahead and I purchased 8. So you're going to purchase 8 at $10 total. And then you will receive back $12 from SWAGBUCKS, making all of these completely free, plus a $2 moneymaker. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed 2 of the Oral-B toothbrushes. And these are priced at Walgreens for $4. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive a $5 register reward. So you're going to purchase 2 at $4, and that's going to bring your total to $8. We do have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $8 minus that $3 digital coupon brought my total down to just $5. And then I did receive back this $5 register reward, making my total completely free for the both of those toothbrushes. Next up, I went ahead and grabbed 2 of the Fanta sodas, and these are priced at Walgreens at 2 for $4. I did have a buy one get one free digital coupon on the Walgreens app, and that took off $2.59. So $4 minus the $2.59, that brought my total down to just $1.41 for both, or it'll make each one just 70 cents. And then lastly, I went ahead and I purchased a Tide liquid, 2 Downy fabric softeners or Charmin tissue, and then I also purchased Tide Pods. And now that I'm looking at this transaction, you guys, I ended up purchasing 5 items instead of just 4 items, and I did not pay attention to that when I was in the store. and not even when I was looking at the receipt. So now I am realizing that I purchased one too many items, but that's okay because this transaction still came out to be a really great transaction. So anyway, the deal is buy 4 and receive a $5 registry reward. So I purchased all of those items, and when you buy 4, your total is going to be $21.96. There is a $1 digital coupon. No, not a digital. There is a $1 paper coupon on the P&G website for the Tide Pods, a $1 paper coupon on the P&G website for the Tide Liquid, and then also a $1 paper coupon on the P&G website for the Downy fabric softener. So I used a total of 3 paper coupons. So $21.96 minus the $3 in paper coupons, that brought my total down to $18.96. And then I did get my $5 registry reward, guys. So $18.96 minus that $5 registry reward brought my total down to $13.96. But of course, that is not what I paid for each of those items. And then, like I said, I'm just now noticing that I purchased one too many products. So yeah, that Downy rung up at $5.49 as well, and I didn't have a coupon for that one. So that is everything that I got in this transaction, you guys. Oh, also, I forgot to mention with the Charmin tissue, the Charmin is also priced at $5.49, and we do have a 25-cent coupon on that. So now let me go ahead and show you guys my receipt. So there are the Secret deodorants at $6 each, both of my Colgate toothpaste at $3.99, so $7.98. We have the Charmin tissue at $5.49, both of the Downies at $5.49, which should have only been one. Tide Pods at $5.49, Tide Liquid at $5.49, Oral-B toothbrushes at $4, both of the Fanta drinks at 2 for $4, and then all 8 of my Baby Ruths, as you guys can see, they should have rung up at $10, but I got charged an extra $1.16. There is my paper coupon for get $9 when you spend $40, my Tide Liquid, Tide Pods, and then my Downy $1 paper coupons. And then also on this transaction, you guys, I used a total of $30 in registry rewards just so that I can bring my out of pocket down a little bit. And then my $4 digital coupon for the Crest, $3 digital coupon for the Oral-B, 25-cent coupon for the Charmin, and then the $2.59 buy one get one free coupon for the Fanta drinks. So now this is where I messed up. So my subtotal came out to be $33.75, but of course when you add that $30 back in to my transaction from the registry rewards that I use, my actual subtotal is $63.75. Now you guys, my goal was to use the contactless payment. And I did use the contactless payment, but what I did was I forgot to enter the amount of Walgreens cash that I wanted to use because I had planned on using $20. But I totally skipped that part, and I just brought up the barcode to pay. So I was so annoyed about that, you guys, because I really wanted to use my $20, but once you scan the barcode, it's just going to make the transaction go through, and there was nothing she could do to stop it so that I could be able to use my $20 in Walgreens cash. So that was so irritating. That was 100% my fault, but I was going to use $20 in Walgreens cash on this, you guys. So I ended up paying that with my Walgreens MasterCard. Of course, my PayPal debit card is going to pay that balance off. And then when you look down here, I did receive back a total of $20.28. So again, my subtotal came out to be $63.75, and that's after me factoring in those registry rewards that I used. I got back a total of $20.28. So $5 came from my digital booster with me spending $22. $9 came from my paper booster with me spending $40. $4 came from me purchasing 2 Colgate. And then the $2.28 is the extra Walgreens everyday points. So that's a total of $20.28. So $63.75 minus the $20.28 that I got back in Walgreens cash, that brought my total down to $43.47. Then I contacted customer service and I let them know that my digital $5 coupon for my Secret deodorant did not come off. And then I also mentioned to them that my Baby Ruths rung up higher than what they were supposed to. They were supposed to ring up at $2.50, but they rung up a little bit higher at $2.79. So guys, this doesn't always happen, but I just wanted to test it out to see what they would say. And so since I mentioned that to her, I told her that I was no longer at the store, so I wasn't you know, I wasn't going to go back in to return them. And I just wanted to see if they would like credit me the $1.16 that I got charged over for the Baby Ruths. And shockingly, she went ahead and credited me for that. But instead of her crediting me $1.16, she actually credited me $5 total. Okay. And then I also got credited for my $5 digital coupon for the secret not coming off. So total customer service did credit me with $10, but I'm just going to say they credited me with the $6.16, $5 for the $5 digital coupon, and then $1.16 for the extra that I got charged with the Baby Ruth. I'm not going to count the extra $3.84 in this transaction. So a total of $6.16 from customer service. So $43.47 minus that $6.16 that I got back from customer service. That brought my total down to $37.31. Then in rewards, I got back a total of $25. I got back my $5 for my $5 store coupon for the personal care items because I did spend at least $20. So I did get back that $5 store coupon. I got back my $5 P&G coupon for the Oral-B, my $5 P&G coupon for spending $15 on P&G products, my $5 P&G coupon for the Tide products, and then I got back my $5 store coupon for the Secret deodorant. So that's a total of $25 in rewards that I got back. So $37.31 minus the $25 in rewards, that brought my total down to $12.31. Then I went on over to Swagbucks and I submitted my receipt for the Baby Ruths, and I got back a total of $12 from Swagbucks. So $12.31 minus the $12 that I got back from Swagbucks, that brought my total down to just 31 cents. Now, the very last thing that I did, guys, was I went on over to IBOTTA and I checked Walgreens, and I noticed that I had a rebate for 10 cents for when I scanned my receipt. So I went ahead and I scanned my receipt to IBOTTA, you guys. And before, IBOTTA had a rebate for the Oral-B toothbrushes, but the rebate is no longer available. I already had the Oral-B rebates for the toothbrushes clipped to my account. So when I scanned my receipt, not only did that 10-cent rebate pop up for me scanning any receipt, the Oral-B rebate also popped up. Keep in mind, the rebate is no longer available, but I had already clipped it. So when I scanned my receipt and I purchased 2 of the Oral-B toothbrushes, that rebate popped up for me. So that was totally unexpected. I did not expect to get an extra $4 from IBOTTA, you guys. So if you are planning on shopping at Walgreens, or if you have already shopped at Walgreens this week and you purchased the Oral-B toothbrushes, go ahead and scan your receipt to IBOTTA right now, because there's a chance that you will get credited. Now, I don't know if this is going to happen for everybody who scans their receipt, but I know that when I scanned my receipt, the rebate popped up for me. So you will have already had to have had that rebate clipped to your account. So give it a try and let me know down in the comment section if you get credited for your Oral-B toothbrushes or not. So you guys, my total came out to be 31 cents, but since I got back that 10 cents and then I got back the $4 for the toothbrushes total, I got back a total of $4.10 from IBOTTA. So 31 cents minus the $2.10 that I got back from IBOTTA, that made this transaction absolutely free, plus a $1.79 moneymaker. So this was a fantastic transaction, you guys. So if you all enjoyed this video, please do me a favor and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comment section what you all are grabbing from Walgreens this week. Don't forget to submit your receipts to Fetch Rewards. If you are not using Fetch Rewards, I will have that linked in the description box below. When you sign up using my code, you will receive 2,000 points. And then also, don't forget to scan your receipt to IBOTTA, especially if you already had that Oral-B rebate clipped to your account, so that you can go ahead and get some extra cash. If you are not using IBOTTA, I will have that linked in the description box below as well, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive back $10 when you redeem your first rebate through IBOTTA. So that is going to be it for this video, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you all in my next video.